Welcome back to my channel. This is Midwest Mama. I am here for my bi-weekly grocery hauls. And it is Wednesday, so that means that I did go a day earlier again. We have my sister's, she's like a sister. She's my sister-in-law. Even though like my brother's divorced with her, she's still my sister-in-law in every way. More like a sister. So anyways, her wedding is this week and we have a lot of things going on. And so I just wanted to get it done now. And then I probably won't grocery shop until we get back because we're going to be in a hotel overnight, just busy weekend. So anyways, I spent $297 at Target. I finally made under $300, and I even bought like my son some shirts. But yeah, also I just don't even know if I got everything. I just didn't even really make a list. So anyways, stay tuned for my haul. Okay, here is my haul from Target. I did pick up 2 packages of the Neutrogena fragrance-free makeup remover wipes. I did like the raw sugar. I think it was like an oily hair one, but this time I got the Wave Maker. And it's with lychee and coconut. So I got the shampoo and conditioner, feminine stuff. This was on clearance. It's like a body scrub. It smelled really, really good. And I think Dove is one of the body washes I can use. We'll find out. But I thought maybe for like once a week this would be good. Got some makeup stuff. My youngest said her lips were chapped, so she picked out this. And then I picked out, what brand is this? Maybelline. They are tattoo eye sticks. So I got it in the color I Am Inspired. And then this one is, if I could focus. Oh my gosh, I'm trying to find it. Sorry guys. I Am Cheeky. And then I got a different color in the Hydra Plump Soft Matte Lipstick from Morphe. This one is Whipped. The one I got last time is very too pink for me. So I picked up a Junkless peanut butter, 1 little bite in case Kayla runs out, because I won't be doing any of my shopping until after the weekend. My son picked out some undershirts and then some just black t-shirts. 3 bags of the Steam in a Bag cauliflower. I got some lunches. Got the Lean Cuisine fried chicken with mashed potatoes. 4 cheese pizza and the garlic Alfredo. I got the Cameron's K-Pods. This one is an Eco Pod. I don't know. I thought that was maybe better. So they're compostable. So I don't know. My husband has like a compost, so maybe he can put them in there. I don't know. I got 2 of the Coffee Mate Hazelnut Zero Sugars, a giant size box of the Honey Nut Cheerios. Forgot to get multigrain. I just realized that. 2 taco seasoning, mild and Old El Paso. I got a spray butter. We're just having like crispy chicken and tater tots tonight, so I got these. And then I got 2 of the Core Power Elite chocolate, 42 grams. I did take over a week break from working out at the gym. I hurt my back. My back is still not feeling so hot, but I do need to get back in there once everything with the wedding dies down and I can just like chill. I got 2 bags of the Lay's barbecue. They were 2 for $5. And then over here we needed some not deodorant, some laundry detergent. So I got the Arm & Hammer Sensitive Skin, and then I got the Downy Gentle and Downy Gentle Soft and Fresh Ocean Mist. Jeez. I got 2 paper plates. They were red, white, and blue, so I decided to get these. And then we were completely out of napkins. I got baby red and green leaf lettuce, 1 thing of broccoli. I have been like on a mission to find broccoli, and like Meyer had horrible selection. I don't know if I went anywhere else, but yeah. And then I got a bag of petite baby carrots for Miss Kayla, some bananas, and then I was completely out of apples, so I just got a bag. They're like smaller. Miss Kayla got some black shorts, and then I got a bunch of canned goods. I got 4 of the French style, 4 of the French cut. French cut? Yeah, fresh cut. cut green beans. And then I got 3 of the corn because I think we had a couple left. And then I definitely want to make chili this payday, so I got some tomato sauces. We are completely out of Skippy creamy peanut butter and an apple juice. So that concludes my Target haul. I am going back on Friday with my oldest, so maybe something that my husband needed or whatever, I'll get that then. If because I know his lunch meat they didn't have, so I couldn't get that. But yeah, so stay tuned for my other hauls. Hope you guys are doing well, and I'll see you guys. Okay, here's my haul from Sam's Club. It was $101. I had it delivered, but I actually ended up paying for the Sam's Club, like the Plus member. It was like $34, and so now I can have things like delivered for free because it was costing me like $12 and I didn't know that. So now because my like membership is due in like I think December, I didn't think $34 to be a Plus member was that bad since I've been lazy and just don't feel like shopping in the store. So I got a package of corn, sweet corn. This is for dinner tonight. My husband is barbecuing ribs, so I thought that would go good. I did get some green grapes and red grapes. These were on sale. They were, I think, $7.98, so my husband said just to get 2 of the cinnamon roll. We're almost out of ibuprofen, so this is the best deal. I think it was like $13, and then you get 2 with 600 in them, so it'll last us a very long time. These were $6.98 instead of $10, so I decided to get that, even though I don't think he needed it yet, but that is a good price. And then I wanted hot dogs, so this was, I think, a little under $11 for 24 of them. And then I got 2 Little Bites packages, so that was just $101. Isn't that crazy? All right, my Meijer is going to be ready between 2 and 3. I'm going to be picking that up, so I will share that when I have that all laid out to show you. Okay, I got my Meijer pickup. It was $161 and some change. I got some Mountain Dew Zero Sugar. American Dew. Interesting. Got some Frederick's grated Parmesan cheese. And then I got the Frederick shredded. Got some Chihuahua cheese and a bag of sharp cheddar. This one's for chili, and then this one is for steak tacos, which we still have to go to another store to get the steak from. I got 2 Meijer fat-free half and halves, a thing of ground turkey, and then I got 2 family packs of chicken breast. This one, it was $11.95 for 4.80 pounds. And this one was 4.65 pounds for $11.58. 4 pounds, and 65 ounces is what I meant. I could not find the Tree Hut Moroccan Rose at Ulta or Target, so I had to pick it up from Meijer, which is fine. So I got the body butter, and then they also had body lotion, so I picked up both. My little treat, it's Breyer's Carb Smart Reese's bars. These need to go into the freezer very soon. Meijer low fat milk, 1%. It's like 86 out here. Got 3 bell peppers, some oyster crackers, strawberries. So I needed to get some food for my bearded dragon, and we wanted to get dandelion greens and mustard. Look how big this bunch is. Like, that is insane. So I don't even know where I'm gonna put all that. My fridge is not that big. I got some everything high protein bagels, some hot dog buns to go with the hot dogs that I got from Sam's. I've never tried this one. It is the roasted garlic and herb baked lays. 2 of the popcorners back there, couple rice-a-ronis, 2 cheddar broccoli, and 1 beef. And this, guys, is funny. Now, I've never done pickup, but I do know when I used to do shipped, I always would pay attention to expiration dates. When I pulled these out of the bag, I noticed that there was like dust, you can see. So I was like, okay, that's weird. Turn it over, and it was Best Buy September 2024. So yeah, I'm gonna return these, guys, because that's just disgusting. Marzetti Classic Ranch, 1 stacks, and 2 butter snaps. The only things that were out of stock, I wanted a big thing of a hazelnut creamer and cheddar and sour cream baked lays. So those are the only 2 things, not a big deal. I still have creamer. It was just in case we ran out. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed all my hauls. It is so hot. Anyways, and I drove in a car with no air conditioning, so I'm just really hot. Anyways, the total will be here. Oh, my finger's dirty. Must be from his car. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed my hauls. Happy Memorial Day, and I will see you guys in my next video.